AK series 20 watt to 200 watt anti-glare Oxyron chip, IP65 waterproof, 360-degree rotation bracket, optional for RGB CCT changeable, optional for separated sensor, wireless terminal, high voltage resistance, surge protection.